Welcome to Wednesday's Math Buffet. Today for your appetizer, you need to circle the prime numbers and underline the composite numbers. Just a reminder, prime numbers are numbers that have 1 in themselves as the only factors. So I'm already seeing 5, 23. I know for sure that those are prime. Then I'm going to go back and I'm going to review and confirm that 15 is prime. So I know that I can do 1 times 15, and I know I can do 3 times 5. So I'm going to underline 15 as a composite number. And I'm going to look at 54. I know that I can do 1 times 54, and then I can do, what can I multiply? I believe 6 times 9 is 54. So 54 is going to be composite. And I'm going to take a look at 91. I know that 1 times 91, it's an odd number because it ends with a 1. So I'm already thinking, can 3? 3 is not going to go in. So 3 doesn't go in. 6 isn't going to go in. So 91 is also going to be a prime number. So you should have circled 5, 23, and 91 and underlined 15 and 54. Okay? For your multiplication problem, you should have got 2,555. If you did not get that correct, you will need to follow along here with the steps. So our first step is to go up. I know 5 times 3 is 15. So I have 5. I regroup my 10. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 1 more 10 is 36. I'm done with the 5. I'm done with the 1. My 0. I'm going to do 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. And then my last step, as always, is to add. So I should have gotten 2,555. For my long division problem, I'm going to check and make sure that you got 493. So the first question I'm going to ask myself is, how many times will 3 go into 1? 3 is larger than 1, so 3 will not go into 1. So I have to take 3 into 14. Okay, 3 goes into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. Bring down my 7. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 3 times 9 is 27. 0, bring down my 9. 3 goes into 9 3 times. I have nothing left to bring down, and I have nothing left over, so I have no remainder. So my answer is 493. Okay? After you've checked and confirmed that you've gotten those correct, you're going to go on to the main course. Today you are interpreting line plots. So you're going to take a look at the graph here. Be sure to notice the labels. So what's the title? What do these numbers below the line mean? What does X represent? Look closely at your key at any defining points before you move on to answer the questions. Once you've completed the line plot page, you may move on to the game that has been posted on Google Classroom.